Introducing the new 2-in-1 Clamping Worktable and Sawhorse from Pony. Built tough with high-impact construction, this worktable and sawhorse offers the next evolution in innovation and versatility in work supports. Included with purchase are two 12-inch Jorgensen Easy Hold trigger clamps, each with 300 pounds of clamping force, along with two large and two small bench dogs. When the worktable is set up and ready for use, it offers an adjustable working height of up to 32 inches and a 31 by 25-inch tabletop surface area, all while supporting a weight capacity of 500 pounds. The surface is equipped with easy-to-read measurement markings for a quick and convenient reference and 36 holes that are perfectly placed to utilize the included bench dogs in a multitude of combinations of use. When needed, the Easy Hold trigger clamps can be easily incorporated to work alongside the worktable. For horizontal clamping, first, remove the clamp head by pressing the quick release button and repositioning it on the opposite side. Then, place the clamp's rail inside of one of the 4 channels integrated into the tabletop and pull the orange tab located on the side of the table to allow the clamp to lock into position. And for vertical clamping, the clamp rail can be inserted into one of the tabletop holes. Then, by reattaching the clamp head to the rail from underneath, the tabletop users can create the necessary downforce needed to hold objects into position. For even more functionality, the table sides fold down and transform the table into a lower-profile sawhorse, which can hold up to 1,000 pounds. Beneath the working surface is a generously sized storage shelf. The frame also provides extra storage for bench dogs when not in use. The adjustable legs include non-marring feet to ensure grip and stability on any surface. For transport and storage, the unit collapses into an easy, flat design. And for safety use, the 2 rubber latches lock the unit down. All backed by a limited 3-year warranty. Pony Jorgensen. Clamps without compromise.